This here is a Hill-Rom P3200 VersaCare hospital bed. When I came into the room to perform maintenance on the bed, I started to notice that the air pump was cycling on and off. The wrench light was not lit, so I traced out the airline system to verify there were no leaks. This here is the compartment that holds the air pump, and the air line coming off the pump goes up to a compartment at the head of the bed where the controls are located for the air system. When I took the mattress apart to check for leaks on the mattress itself, I did find one of the chambers had a leak. To replace the chamber, there are 2 plastic clips on each side that will need to be cut off. Once you've removed the plastic clips, you'll be able to pull the inflation chamber back and see the air connection to a small pipe that runs down the bed. I do recommend attaching your air connections prior to connecting the inflation tube with the new plastic clips back to the bed. Once the new air chamber was completely installed, I inflated the air mattress completely to ensure that there were no other leaks that I may have overlooked. Once you've confirmed that there are no other air leaks in the mattress, to assemble the mattress, you'll need to disconnect it from the bed itself. These are the retaining straps on the mattress that attach it to the bed. Once the mattress is assembled, you'll reattach the air connections back to the bed. Then you'll want to attach the retaining straps at the head of the mattress to the bed. Once you have everything reassembled, you'll want to perform another inflation test as well.